Hello you guys, this is Felicia. Today we are doing a sponsored video by Hot Beauty Hair. Okay, so let's begin. This is the packaging and this is Hot Beauty Hair brand. Hot girl and enjoy your beauty. The packaging on this is very nice. I think that they did an awesome job. I'm all about professionalism and I think that they did a great job with this one. It comes with a little bag that the wig comes in. They give you a few little gifts. Here's the card with your instructions on it. Came with a few little gifts in a Ziploc baggie. They give you a stocking cap, which you're not going to really need. But they have this cute little bag. I love it. And inside they have a few little things that will be useful to you. Here's a band if you would like to attach that. But you won't really need it because you already have a band in the wig. Here's two clips that came with it as well. They're cute. And also they have a edge brush. You can use that as well, but you won't need it. Here's some bobby pins they included as well. But again, I think they did an awesome job. And a pair of tweezers. They're not your best top of the line tweezers, but they will get the job done. But that is a few gifts they give you for free with the purchase of your wig. And now I'm going to show you the wig before I put it on. Here's the construction of the cap. You have a band that's already attached. Like I told you before, you won't need the extra band, but the wig is very well constructed. So now I'm going to go ahead and put that wig on my head. So here we go. Here I'm putting on the wig. You have to kind of straighten it up there. I know it looks really weird right now, but you're gonna have to work at this one. I'm kind of going to, this is kind of a different look for me, but it'll do. So all you're going to do is just kind of tease it out just a little bit. This is going to be a low maintenance wig. And I'm going to be using my Argan Oil Wrap Lotion Foam Mousse by Creme of Nature. And all I'm going to do is apply this foam to the hair just so that you can make those waves pop. But putting this unit on, it isn't as thick. I say maybe around 150% density. I'm not sure. And all you're going to do is put that foam on there. I think that the wig could be a little bit thicker. And I think the bangs are a little too thin for my liking. But if you like it, you don't like thin hair, then if you don't like thick hair, then this wig would be definitely for you. But I think the waves is very nice in the wig. It's very lightweight. It's not really heavy. So if you can definitely wear this in the summer as well. And you can wear it in the winter too. But if you're looking for a low maintenance wig, this would definitely be the wig for you. But all you're going to do is just kind of finger style this wig. It's not going to take a whole lot to get it where it needs to be. But this is pretty much all you're going to need. Just a little bit of mousse. Or either you can use a water bottle to apply to the wig, just to kind of make those waves pop. But I do recommend putting some foam wrap on it. But here you see me just kind of styling and just trying to see exactly where I'm gonna go with this wig. Like I said, this wig is a little too thin for me. I'm not really used to this type of look, but I think something a little different will be fine, or it's cool here and there. So just go ahead and continue to tease out that wig with your fingers. Just kind of finger styling and just see where it goes. So you're going to make sure that you put foam wrap on the ends of the hair just to make sure that you get that even coverage. So I don't know what kind of closure they did in the top, but you won't have any lace on this one. So here you see the bangs are a little bit longer, they're uneven, but I just want to make sure that I give a great detailed review because this is how the unit looks straight out of the box. So if you want to, you can cut your bangs, or if your unit comes already cut, you can just kind of go with how they cut it. But this is definitely the raw look straight out of the box. And just use your fingers to kind of finger style it. Once the foam wrap kind of dries a little, the hair will swell and get a little bit bigger. But for now, while it's wet, it's going to appear to be thin. But the wig is not that thin at all, but it's thin enough. It's more of a natural thin, I should say. But just go ahead and continue to play with your wig here. I'm going to continue to play with my wig here just to see how it's going to lay. But this is pretty much the finished look. So this is pretty much how the closure looks in the top. Is pretty much a normal closure. Like I said, you don't have any lace on this one. And this is how we're looking in the back. This is that Jerry curl look that they had back in the day. Kind of sort of reminds me of Pinky from Friday. But yeah, just separate those bangs a little bit, kind of tease it out. Like I said, once it kind of dries some, the hair will get a little bit bigger. But for now, while the foam wrap is fresh, the wig will look a little bit thinner than what it actually is. But if you like this video, don't mind leaving your comments and share and like this video. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will link all of the information to this wig in the comment box below and in the detail box. Thank you so much. Until the next time, you guys. Goodbye.